So what's up guys? Today I'll be sharing a short snippet video of market analysis I did with my students. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Alright. So looking at this right here, we know that this is a downtrending market. So we know that this is a downtrending market. So knowing this, let's assume this is where the current chart is. Mm, So okay, so now we know that this is where the current chart is. And you can see that price is giving us our downtrending market structure. Where we have this low, price went up, gave us this high, went down, gave us this low, went up, gave us a lower high, gave us this lower low. And we are expecting a push to this side. So remember what I said in our last class, where this place is acting as a zone I want to wait for market to come to. Remember, this is our previous support zone. I want to wait for market to come to this zone. You can see it. So I want to make a market to come to this zone before I can take my trade on this particular instrument. So now looking at what price did, you can see price moved impulsively. So we can see this correction. So you can see the correction going up. So now remember our main focus for today is depletion, like exhaustion, where we see buyers or sellers being tired. So during this impulsive phase, move down, you can see this just going with only red candles only. We hardly see a green candle, just red candles. So at this place, this is a corrective move. So you can see a combination of your green candles, your red candles all together at this place. Then you can see this candle, you can see this green candle here, the next one, the next one, the next one. All these are bullish candles. So these are buyers stepping into the market. But remember, we are on a downtrend from this chart. We're on a downtrend. So we want to say, okay, buyers are in control of this market right now from this particular zone going up, going up. Then we now see these two bearish candles. That is to tell you that what buyers are going to step in. Though price is not yet in my zone, but I can see that what sellers, are going to step into the market. So the next candle, you can see this big bullish candle. So the next candle that formed, another green candle. The next candle that formed, another green candle. Then the next candle that formed, you can see this red big bearish engulfing candlestick. And if you check, this bearish engulfing candlestick shows that what the buyers are now tired. Now the sellers are willing to take over from the market. Remember, the trend is down. Now, price has gotten to this my previous support. This is the zone we talked about last week, where we want to see price get into before we can sell. So now you see that what prices has gotten to the zone. Then price gave this what long wick rejection. You can see this long wick rejection. You can see the long wick rejection. Price gave this long wick rejection, then gave our what bearish engulfing candlestick. So this is the candlestick pattern where we see we see a small, let me draw it, something like this. So we see a green candle formed and one green candle up, another green candle up, sometimes another green candle up. Then we now see the next candle that comes, a bearish candle, will now be a long bearish engulfing candlestick that covers previous candlesticks. That is exactly what we have here. See this long bearish candlestick that just formed here. It covered the body of the previous candlestick. So this is giving us a strong selling bias, telling us that what the buyers at these buyers right here are now tired. They are exhausted. And this is the main point of price deceleration. You see that what this long wick rejection and this bearish engulfing is telling us that what these buyers are now tired. So we can choose to take this trade from here, from this particular point here, and our stop loss above here. So it's very okay if we take this trade. So if we look at this from another angle, so if we draw our trend line, where we have this Now we'll talk about your resistance trend line on a downtrend. So this is my resistance trend line. So you can see that what price it also tapped my resistance trend line. You can see this. Remember, I said sometimes it won't tap the trend line. It depends. But here now, I now have what confidence. Okay, price has touched. We have this first touch. We have this first touch here. We have the second touch here. And we have this third touch here. Remember what I said, third touch are mostly impulsive. So I have this touch and I also have my support and resistance here. That is the second confirmation. Number 3, I'm also seeing this long wick rejection and a bearish engulfing candlestick. So this right here will make me take this trade, my stop loss here, and my take profit just below my previous low. So let's see how this trade is going to go. So if I should put this, right, so I'm going to move this. So if we took this trade, so you can see how price is moving nicely after rejecting from this particular support and resistance zone, then my trend line, and then giving us this candlestick pattern. This is a candlestick pattern where we have this engulfing candlestick that covers the previous small candle. So these two candles here are small candles. These two candles here are small candles, and this is a bearish engulfing candlestick. So if we take our trade from this particular point, then our stop loss above here. So let's see how price moves. So we can see that what price hits our take profits. Alright, so that is it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to get notified when I drop content like this. So if you like what you see, my contact is in the description in this video. Feel free to contact me for mentorship and other trading related services.